Good morning, WingTrades, and it's early here in the Northeast. It's 6:20 in the morning, but I'm gonna bang out a video here on three of the runners mentioned in the chat room yesterday. I'm gonna start with MBOT, and anybody who was with us in voice knows that I actually took a position in this today. Oddly enough, right? 433 was my entry. Bink, right there. Right there. And that was over the high of this candle, right? We came up, we reclaimed, made the higher low, reclaimed VWAP again, took the high over VWAP, and I sold it on this candle at 462. It hit $10. So I'm not the best day trader, especially with these runners. I don't trust them, I guess. So, yeah, I was in at 433. I was out at 462, and here's your, I don't know what that's like 8 something. And then we came up here to, whatever, to 10. I mean, my God. So what I did with MBOT today, excuse me, is I just took some lines off the daily and off the intraday from yesterday, okay, and the levels are $10, $8.40, and we can, this is $8.44 that I drew in here just on the top, but we can do $8.40, $8.35. $8.35 was the number. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Let's do $8.35. Let's do, okay, $8.37. It's close enough the way this thing acts. But you don't come across these runners very often. Just on a technical sense, if we do something like this, right, here's the little bull flag, here it comes, pops up, support, support, boom, comes right into the 20. Over here, look at our extension off the 20. It just needs to come over here, and then it can go. And look, here it's doing it again. Oh, we just got to touch that red line. There we go. Then we'll reclaim the red line and we'll go. So anybody who's not convinced on the 20, I would like to see, I'd like to see an argument as to why not. That's all. There's a 20 supporting. There's a 20 supporting. Here's the 20 supporting. We lost it here. We tried to actually resist here on the 20. Nope. Then price picked up support. Boom. Then we reclaim. Here's the 20 supporting. We're up. So the 20. I like the 20. Anyway. So key levels. MBOT. We have 837, $10, and to get the one up higher, you actually have to squeeze the chart all the way up at 11.5. I think the high from yesterday is also going to be important here. But that's MBOT. Let's look at MBEV. MBEV. 642. The only line on the chart is 642. I wonder why that is. Oh, that's because it didn't go over. But here's 642. We can talk about that one right now. 642 was the previous day high to the big move up yesterday. Plus there was a double top right here, and there was one other good spot, bink, right there. So 642 was pretty good. 640, call it even. Let's get to our 60-minute. See if we can make some more sense of this. DDD. I thought I had another line up there. I don't. Oh my goodness gracious, what is going on? 777 and 7. No, 701's the close. So 642 and then 777. I think there's a line to be had at that $7 level, and it's right there. Let's do that guy. How did I overlook that? 690. Okay, let's go to the 15. So here's your 690 line coming in. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. We could probably bump it up just a tick, and we'll get this, that, and that right at 693. Pink, and there it is. So we just got some key levels here on NBEV that I think are important. 642, that was the previous high, the close, right? This was the previous close the past 2 days, right here and right here. And then yesterday was the run-up day. We came down, we reclaimed. So where do we buy this? Well, we gotta get first thing we gotta do is get on a shorter time frame. Where do we buy this? So here's the previous high, right? And then we cracked it finally. Well, it looks to me, if you come right here, right on the first dip, and draw your line in, you have this entry possibly, you have this entry possibly, We do not have trend confirmation yet of this thing going bullish. All you have is price support holding up. That's all you got. That's all you got. So on your indicators, the 20, and then we kind of lost the 20, then we regained it, and then we supported with it. Support, and then gave it up. I'm not going to say that the 20 is going to magically keep price above or below it, but what it will do is it will give you a point of reference where we can expect support. And then if you come off the 20, when price comes to the 20, if you come off some of these lows and maybe draw a line like this, what happens there? Resistance, right, and we got a little support area right here, we got resistance here, so that's why I use the 20. But right now, let's go back to the daily. Let's get our key levels for MBEV, then we're gonna hit BIOC, and I'm done with Momo. So we got 7 3/4, we got $7. Let's do 6. I like 640, and then that 693. So 7 3/4, 693, 642, 642, 693, 7 3/4. And those are the key levels I have for NBEV BIOC. This was requested in the chat room yesterday, and upon a further inspection, there's a little key spot right in here, excuse me, that I didn't find yesterday when I quickly looked at the daily, that I did find this morning, and that is this gap right here at 205 down to 201. It's 4 cents, people. That's a 4-cent gap. Let's look at the 3 at 205. Right there. Dink. Let's look at the 1 at 205. Let's see. There it is. 205. Okay. I see that the low is actually 207. We missed it by 2 pennies. It's not exact. We could adjust this up to 207, but then that messes up my gap. So I'm not going to adjust anything. What I have for BIOC is 1, it's definitely not a swing trade. That long-term chart is abysmal. What it does have is support at 180 and 205. We're trying to hold up pre-market. Then we have resistance at 290 off the daily chart. What we need to do is find where resistance is off the intraday, which is this right here, and we'll draw this line while we're doing the video. It's 235, and then we have an intraday gap. These are stupid. This is stupid, right? This makes no sense. I don't know. I look at 235 first and foremost. 235 to 205. That's going to be, looks like where we're going to open on BIOC. Be careful. Be careful with this guy, people. Do not hold and hope. Here's your weekly chart. It has split so many times that it used to trade up over $900 on the weekly. I'm sure if I put the monthly on, it could be up in the $10,000s of dollars because of all the splits, the S's, right? So no, this is not going to make you rich. This may just give you a good day trade opportunity. 205, 235. Those are the keys. That intraday gap is weird. So anyway, those are the moments.